This is a review of the SFBT3. It's kind of a superposable figure from Japan. I'm reviewing this as a kind of a artist mannequin. I've been looking for a perfect kind of posable figure for drawing for quite some time, and so far this is the most impressive mannequin out there. Um, so as you can see, there's a lot of subtleties and controls that you can have over this. So let me go through one of them at a time. So first, the head. You can see full range of head as well as neck and eyelids, as well as actual eyeballs. There's actually, when you take the head off, you can point the where she's looking, where her eyeballs are looking, to one side or the other, kind of thing. So let's move it back to normal and put her face back on. You can see the shoulders are rather impressive. It's kind of a triple joint system, ball joint system, so you get a full range with it. You can kind of see there. The shoulder blades kind of go up and down as you kind of move this around. The backbone, you can kind of see the stomach plates kind of contract as you kind of fold together as you rotate, and there's side to side as well. The arms are pretty, there's some pretty amazing design here. You can see there's wrist control, but also when you turn the wrist, that's pretty amazing right there. It actually turns the forearms. Individual fingers, you can see there, each joint of the finger is posable, so you can get realistic motions and poses with it. Let's see, legs. There's kind of a double joint here at the knees, and as well as a joint and a swivel kind of thing for the foot. There's all the toes are kind of together except for the big toe. You can have a separate big toe control. You can see full range of motion there. So it's a really natural. You can pose some really natural things with this. So it's pretty cool. So I'll show you some poses here. I'm just gonna kind of make up poses as I go along and kind of just show you the full range of what this can do. So you can see here, this is a really natural pose. For the artist, this is amazing. You can kind of sketch out and really see the forms of everything. The subtleties here is what makes this posable figure kind of stand out from the rest. You can see the foot here, just the fact that you have this kind of control, so you can kind of lay it in a natural position as far as and arms and stuff, and the shoulder makes a huge difference. So instead of just a natural figure, natural shoulder position, and you're just bending the arm back, you can actually get it so that it actually goes up and supports the weight, right? So you can kind of get a really nice motion with it, and the subtleties is what makes this figure really incredible. So let's try another pose. So here's a pretty classic, just standard standing pose. This stand can go up and down and can rotate and stuff, so you can kind of get it perfect. Again, the subtleties, having a slightly rotated pelvis, and a nice straight leg to support that, and get a really nice graceful pose from it is really incredible. The subtleties of like even the rotation of the foot, just everything, the support, again, the shoulder is really big, support for that, and the head controls and everything. So you can see that this is a pretty easy to pose figure. You can get just about anything you need with this low figure. So let's try another pose. So I'm just kind of randomly posing this, just making it up as I go, but you can kind of see that, again, this is, you can easily sketch and kind of design out your poses with this figure. And I wish they had a male version, but this is the only one that they have. But even then, it's pretty easy to kind of draw this as a male character based on the pose. So you can see here, it makes it pretty easy to do poses. And you can kind of change and try different things before you commit to a pose. So you can have her kind of stand up more and see how that feels compared to before. And a lot of subtleties, and you can try a bunch of different things. So let's try maybe just a little bit more. So you can see, again, the subtleties is what makes this really amazing. You can kind of see the stomach kind of curving a little bit, and just really, you can get a lot of range with it. And again, it's just being able to test out your poses and try it out before you commit is pretty cool. This stand allows you to kind of move characters up and down and try different angles. And so you can kind of try out different things. So yeah, that's it. Again, this is a pretty amazing figure. To order it, you can check out the link down here somewhere, and also you can just search up SFBT3 for this figure. So in full disclosure, this I got it as a review, so it is rather expensive kit, or I shouldn't say kit, it's fully formed. As you can see here, everything it can come apart. There's no screws or anything on it. It's just kind of friction fit. And so far I haven't had any issues with it. I've been using it quite a bit for work, actually, and posing characters. But sometimes things tend to kind of fall apart, but you just kind of push it back in, and no problems there. So again, SFBT3, it's a really pricey item, but it's a really amazing tool for artists, as you can see here. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.